Changing your primary email on Kabbage is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address successfully. Step 1. Login. Access your Kabbage account by visiting the Kabbage website and entering your login credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option, usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard or under your profile menu. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRF to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your email address. Find the field that displays your current primary email address. Enter your new email address in the provided space and ensure it is typed correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes. Once you've completed these steps, you should receive a confirmation email at your new address. Make sure to check your inbox and verify the change.